Number 6 then from the 2019 Higher Maths Paper 1. Another little 3-mark question here. Another differentiate. Only it's the function of a function, type 1, the chain rule. So the first thing you have to do here then is write it in a suitable form. Don't have the term involving x, have x in the denominator, bring it up to the top. If it's power 5 underneath, it'll be power negative 5 on top. And don't let that little bit put you off. That's just a little disclaimer because you couldn't have x equal to a third because then the denominator would be 0 and you can't divide by 0. Stop. That's probably the first mark bringing it up. Now differentiate. Whoops, a daisy. Well, there's an outside function, there's an inside function. Do the outside first. If that was just x to the power negative 5, you would multiply by the power and then take 1 off the power. Now taking 1 off of negative 5 drops it to negative 6. Leave the inner function alone. But now, and that's probably the next mark, multiply by the derivative of the inside. The derivative of 1 minus 3x is just this coefficient of x, negative 3. Now whether that would satisfy them for their 3 marks, because sometimes they let you do that, I would still think you'd have to put these two numbers back together again. Negative 5 times negative 3 is a 15. So at least it's going to be 15 times 1 minus 3x to the negative 6. I'd prefer it to be finished off though. Put it back the way you found it. Negative 6 means it's power 6 underneath. So 1 minus 3x to the power 6. That's what I would put down for dy by dx. But leaving it like that will probably get you the 3 marks.